Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Move to the right onto the number line. To add a negative integer, move left onto the number line. To subtract a positive integer, move left to the number line. Here it is 1.6. So one whole number we will keep here and 6 strips we need. Classification of triangles on the basis of their sides. In this there are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Thousands year calendar. In this every month has one material. For example, January 0, February 3, March 3, April 6.
So that. Hello everyone, my name is Akansha Behra. I'm studying class 8th today and I'm student of St. Xavier High School, Rapalbehra, Bilaspur. And for the maths exhibition, my project is number 6.
An angle is a figure formed with two rays called the sides of the angle. They share a common point called the vertex of the
My father is 70 kgs. Or changing place or position. So there are 6 types of motion: rectilinear motion, periodic motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, and translatory motion.
Let me show you some of my drawings. Cut a ball and place the convex lens. Place the mobile behind the convex lens.
Hello everyone, I am Ashna Gospi from class 6 from St. Xavier's High School, Rapalbehra, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. This is the model of parts of flowers. So when we take in air, so diaphragm moves out and the lungs expands. And when as we leave air, so it comes back to their.
I am Sankalpa Ahuja of class 6C from St. Xavier's High School. Today I have made one portable cooler that can help us very much.
Turbine. This fan starts working and creates wind power. With the help of this dynamo, it converts wind power into wind energy and the
Hello
body.
everyone, my name is Akansha Behra. I'm studying in class 8th today and I'm student of St. Xavier High School, Rapalbehra, Bilaspur. And my project is nitrogen gas.
This is the structure of human eye 3D model, and now I'm explaining it.
Will help the soldier to crawl easily in sand or at hard surfaces, and thus the soldier wounded soldier will be able to reach a surface.
Natural vegetation. There are 5 types of vegetation mainly found in India. There are tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, tropical mangrove forest, and tropical mountain.
Hello everyone, I am Dhanashri Khadra of class 6 in St. Xavier's High School, Rapalbehra. I have made a model showing the various landforms and the neighbors of our country, India.
This is my model of layers of atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gas called atmosphere.
Represent a model of district code.
District Court is the primary level of judiciary system. Here, the cases which are filed against a victim are rectified and a judgment is given back.
Today I am representing gender with the help of this beautiful face. Queen, boy, girl.
Superposition is a word used before noun to show its relation to some other noun. They are normally placed in front of nouns. Here, what is superposition? Superposition is a short word which gives relation between one noun with another.
Informal ask, formal enquire, informal book, formal reserve.
And hand washing is one of them. As you can see that I have divided my chart into 3 categories.
Up, down, lower, short. Up, down, open, close.
This pandemic is causing a lot of changes in our daily lives, so good nutrition and eating healthy food in the right amount is very crucial for our health, particularly in the time when our immunity system needs to fight back.
सभी गुरुजनों को मेरा प्रणाम। मैं श्रुति बिस्टल कक्षा 5वीं सेंट जेवियर्स हाई स्कूल बिलासपुर में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं अभी विशेषण के ऊपर कुछ बोलने जा रही हूँ। संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्दों को विशेषण कहते हैं। जैसे कि यह कमल सुंदर है। अनेकार्थक शब्द ऐसे शब्द जिनके कई अर्थ होते हैं परंतु उनके अर्थों में कोई समानता नहीं होती है, उन्हें अनेकार्थक शब्द कहते हैं।
पर्यायवाची, झंडा, ध्वजा, पताका, ध्वज, केतु, निशान।
काल का अर्थ होता है समय। काल के 3 भेद होते हैं: भूतकाल, वर्तमान काल, भविष्य।
नाम शंभवी सिंह अस्ति। अहं सप्तमकक्षायां पठामि। मम विद्यालय नाम सेंट जेवियर हाई स्कूल अस्ति। मम विषय शब्दरूप कमल अस्ति।
आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने अनाजों के नाम पर चार्ट बनाए हैं। फर्स्ट है बार्ली। बार्ली का मतलब होता है जौ। जौ को हम संस्कृत में बोलेंगे यवो है।
अमरम अर्थात राष्ट्रीय फल आम है। राष्ट्रीय पक्षी मयूर है, अर्थात हमारा राष्ट्रीय पक्षी मयूर है।
Priya from class 7A and this is my model of laptop.
I'm here to give you the presentation on computer system. A computer system consists of 2 parts, hardware and software. Hardware.
कोशिशों में ख्वाहिशों का ऐसा रंग तू घोल दे जिसके रंग में रंग जाए ये दुनिया। करके बुलंद इन हौसलों को हासिल कर अपना मकाम, तेरी जीत के आगे झुक जाए दुनिया। कोशिशों में ख्वाहिशों का ऐसा रंग तू घोल दे जिसके रंग में रंग जाए ये दुनिया। करके बुलंद इन हौसलों को हासिल कर अपना
1 single gigabyte of internet. During this lockdown, we got lots of opportunities, from spending time with our families to learning many new things such as online conferencing. But the area where the internet connection was so loose and was not steady, they faced lots of problems and didn't gain access to any of those. This Li-Fi project is going to help us with it. As you can see, this is a setup. This is an LED bulb. So Li-Fi is actually a transmission of data through light. So this is connected to a battery and it is connected to an AUX cable which I am going to connect to my mobile phone. This is a solar panel which is connected to this audio box whose switch I am going to on now. So as you can see, the switch is on. Now once I play the song on my phone, you can see the song starts playing. If I remove it, again the song stops. If I put it, again the song starts playing. So in this manner, I have transmitted audio data. Through this, we can also transmit data and internet. As you can see in this table, it gives you high range, speed, data density, and also mobile to mobile connect, while Wi-Fi gives either low or medium. So it's better than Wi-Fi as well, and it's best, and one of the best advantage is that it do not have any kind of health consumptions. It is very health concerned. And last but not the least, through this we are also giving the idea of putting solar panels, which is again reducing global warming. So through solar panels which acts as a receiver, we can gain electricity and the internet as well. And as we know that light travels very fastly, the data speed will be very fast. And I can show you that light weather will not affect it. For that I have got a hanky. So if this acts as a cloud and I put it here, again I'll play the music. You can see the data is not interrupted. So this is how invention of Li-Fi and installation of Wi-Fi can lead India to a very wonderful place.
Very good, very good. Hello everyone, I am Tanushree Bhadra of class 6D. I have made a model of manual escalator for carrying the wheelchair of disabled.
Hello everyone, I am Tanushree Bhadra of class 6D, St. Xavier's High School, Vyapar Vihar. I have made a model of manual escalator for carrying the disabled person, the wheelchair of the disabled person through stairs, where the construction of lifts or ramp is not possible. It can be easily constructed in houses as well as buildings, without the sufficient space for constructing the slopes. Here, my model represents the slopes of a railway platform with two narrow slopes. These narrow slopes will be as broad as the width of the wheelchair, and it can be used to slide the wheelchair upwards and downwards manually with less effort. And beside this, these slopes will be so narrow that other people using this stairs will not face any problem or accidents. Thank you and have a nice day.
From class 8. Today I am going to present my math model. The name of my model is Addison and LCM automation. By the help of this model, we can easily calculate LCM and HCF of any number. For example, I have to take LCM of 3, 4 and 6. So I will put some glass balls on those numbers which are multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 23, and 3 12s are 36. Now 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. Now 6. 6 2 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 30, 6 6 the 36. So we have taken three numbers, so we will see in which cups there are 3 balls. There are 3 balls in 12, 24 and 36. So the full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. So we have to see the
LCM. What is the full form of LCM?
highest common factor.
What is the difference between LCM and HCF? Means do you want to find out the LCM? Okay, find out the LCM.
So I have so the lowest number is 12. So we will so the LCM of 3, 4 and 6 is 12.
And what is the HCF?
I have to take the LCM of 3, 4 and 18 and 36. I will put glass balls on those numbers which are divisible by 18. The 18 is divisible by 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 itself, and now 36. 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 itself. So we have taken 2 numbers, so we will see with which cups there are 2 balls. There are 2 balls in 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So the full form of HCF is highest common factor. We have to see the highest number between 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So the highest number is 18. So the HCF of 18 and 36 is 18.
What do you want to explain? Perimeter. First you tell me what is perimeter.
The sum of all sides of a figure is called its perimeter.
Now you explain.
Namaste everyone, my name is Shruti Biswal. I study in class 5A in St. Davis High School, Rapar, Bihar, Bilaspur. Today I am going to explain perimeter by a model and a small story. So what is perimeter? The sum of all sides of a figure is called its perimeter. So first I am going to start my story. There was a beautiful park. Lots of people come for walking, jogging, exercising and etc. And some children come for playing, swing and sliding. So one day some people thought that they will give surprise to the children on 14th November Children's Day. So they wanted to decorate the outer boundary of the park with some decorated lights. So I have decorated my park with some decorated lights. So, but they don't know that how much electric wire they require to fence the outer part. So by this model, I am going to explain that how to find out the perimeter of a figure. So as we all can see that the park is in rectangular form. So, and we also know that the opposite sides of the rectangular are equal. So, and if the length of the park is 65 centimeter and the breadth is 45 centimeter, and according to the formula, perimeter is 2 length plus 2 breadth. The length we will multiply by 2. So 65 multiplied by 2 is 130 centimeter, and the breadth is 45 centimeter. The 45 multiplied by 2 is 90 centimeter. By adding these two numbers, we can find out the perimeter of the park. So our answer is 220 centimeter. So our park total perimeter is 220 centimeter. And from this model, we knew that it's really easy to find out the perimeter of a figure. Yes, ma'am.
Show which is?
Ma'am, this and this.
You have to show it.
Yes.
This is the perimeter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have to show the area. Show the area in this figure.
Area, ma'am. This is the area.
Which one?
The total this ground measurement is called area.
This means what is the formula for area?
I don't know.
Area is length into depth. And perimeter is 2 into length plus depth. Perimeter this boundary
Yes,
is
ma'am.
known as the perimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
And inside whatever area, that is called the
Area.
Good.
I am Judith Tiwari of class 8 and I am presenting a working model of geothermal power plant. In this we will know how electricity can be generated from the groundwater. We all know that as we go deep inside the earth, the temperature of the earth rises steadily. This rise in temperature heats the groundwater. When the heated groundwater is taken out through wells and transferred to a tank through pipes, the sudden drop in temperature converts the groundwater into vapors. When the vapors reaches the turbine blades, it makes the turbine blades move, and the energy generated by the turbine blades is transferred to the generator, and the generator generates electricity which can be used for the people for their daily purposes like cooking, washing, etc.
So the current which will be supplied, it will be there, DC or AC? You will directly supply, you will convert it.
Ma'am, we will convert it.
So that will be AC, alternating current. Okay. Direct current, how much voltage current is supplied to home? It is 220 volt. Okay.
You are studying which class?
8. I am Shambhavi Singh from class 70. This is my projector scene at the polling booth. The elections usually held in the government school. This is the symbol of Election Commission. Article 144 is applied in every election, in which not more than 4 people are allowed to stand together in the election area. Let us go inside our polling station. We can see a woman coming out of the polling station after casting her vote. She has a mark on her finger of voting. Many people are waiting for their turns. There are facilities like water cooler and toilets available. 2 police officers are also available for any kind of emergencies. Let us go inside our polling room. This is the polling room. 3 polling officers, 1 presiding officer, and some members of political parties are also there. Let us go through the voting process. First, we go to the first polling officer and show our voter ID. He takes our name in the voter list and announces our voter number to the next officer. The next officer cuts the number from the list and gives us a mark on our finger. Then we go to the third officer. We give our signature there, and she gives us a slip. We show the slip to the presiding officer. Then he allows us to cast our vote. So he switches on the machine, EVM machine, where symbols are made, and we just need to do is to press the button of the party we need as the representative. We press, a buzz sound comes out, which shows that your vote is casted. This is all for the voting process. Then we come out of the room through the exit door. One of the voting held in Chhattisgarh is state legislative elections held on 12 November 2018 to 20 November 2018.
What is the result of yesterday's Bihar election?
I don't know.
And Marwahi also? You should know this also.
You should know.
Okay. Marwahi no. These जो भी ना expired. That election was there.
Bihar RJD, JDU won and RJD lost.
Good morning, ma'am. I am M. Sadrisha and I am Chini Salinakar, and today we are going to tell you 9 different types of poetry. Poetry is a very special form anyone can have. Poetry is when thoughts meet the words. So let's have a look at 9 types of poetry popular in the world. The first one is ode. Ode is a small poem emphasizing a person, something, someone, or a place. The next one is an elegy. So elegy is a poem written for someone who just passed away. The next we have sonnet. Sonnet is made famous by none other than William Shakespeare. It is a poem which consists of only 14 lines. Next we have free verse. Free verse is a poem. Basically, free verse is a poem in which we have freedom to write as many as sentences, as many as stanzas, and it doesn't matter whether the poem rhymes or not. The next one is my personal favorite. It's villanelle. Villanelle is a very ancient form of French poem. It consists of 19 lines, 5 stanza of tricet, which means 3 lines, and the final stanza of 4 lines. Next we have ballad. Ballad is a drama story which is most of the times emotional or a love story. Then we have acrostics. Acrostics is a poem in which the first letter of a word like in F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. The first word F spells something, then R spells something, and so on for I-E-N-D-S.
The whole poem will be in that way then?
Yes, ma'am.
With that words.
The next one is haiku. So haiku is a small poem, actually an ancient Japanese poem, which is basically a triset, and it has some funny meanings at the end. The last but not the least is again my favorite, limerick. Limerick is a poem with a funny meaning behind it.
Can you give one the name of the poem of ode, elegy, sonnet?
Recite one poem, whatever you know.
I can tell you a limerick. It's a story actually. So there was a man who had long beard. He was so fond of making his beard. So a chicken and 2 eggs laid on his beard. Every morning he went up.
Good.
सुप्रभात मम नाम उन्नतिवार्ष्णे अस्ति अहम अष्टायां कक्षायां पठामि। मैं आज आप सभी को हमारे देश भारत के बारे में कुछ महत्वपूर्ण बातें बताने जा रही हूँ। अस्माकं देशस्य नाम भारतवर्षः अस्ति। भारतम् अति प्राचीनः विशालः चासीत्। उत्तरदिशायां गिरिराज हिमालयः देशं सदैव रक्षते। दक्षिणदिशायां विशाल हिंद महासागर अस्य चरणौ सततः शाल्यते। अस्माकं देशस्य विभिन्न सम्प्रदायानां भाषाणां च जनाः वसन्ति। तेषां वेशभूषा भोजनम् उत्सवाः विभिन्न सन्ति। वयं सर्वे एकः राष्ट्रध्वजं नमामः च एकः राष्ट्रगानं गायन्ति। एषा सॉरी मैम। एतत् एकतायां अनुपमा धारा अत्र प्रवहन्ति। एतत् अस्माकं सौभाग्य अस्ति यत् वयम् अत्र वसामः। अस्माकं देशस्य एकः कामना अस्ति, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुर्भाग्यः भवेत्। Thank you.
Can you interact in Sanskrit?
Yes, ma'am.
You can interact?
No, ma'am, not that much.
So that I will request the teacher also that whenever her period is there, in that period at least students should interact in Sanskrit. At least introduce yourself.
Ma'am, I am Unnati Varshne. Ma'am, in Sanskrit? Ma'am, mam nama Unnati Varshne asti. Aham ashtayam kaksha. Ashtayam.
चलो आगे ले आगे।
चलो और टीचर्स कम तस्नीर
अब बीच में ना क्वेश्चन करते हैं पूरे में आएगा लाइट शायद। वीडियो नहीं लो, फोटो लो।